How to get unlimited coupon codes for existing users in Temu. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser. Here you want to search for Temu coupon code. You're going to find different websites here. You can basically open any one of them. As you can see, there are different coupon codes and offers here. Go through all of them, and whichever you find best, you simply want to tap on the View More option. Then you can check out all the details about this coupon code. If you want to use this, tap on this arrow button. Once you do that, the coupon code will now be visible. Tap on the option of Copy. Now you can tap on the Visit Temu option to visit Temu's website. Or if you have the application, simply open the app. Now tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Coupons and Offers. Here you can find a box that says Enter Coupon Code. Go ahead and paste the code that you have just copied. Now tap on the Apply option. If the code is valid, you will be able to use that code. Now you can follow the same process to get more coupon codes and discounts. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.